All skill levels. Overall, Unreal Engine is a top contender in the game engine market and is definitely worth considering for anyone looking to create immersive and engaging games and experiences. Unreal Engine is a game engine developed by Epic Games used to create high-quality, immersive 3D experiences across multiple platforms. Popular games made with Unreal Engine include Fortnite, Final Fantasy VII Remake, Borderlands 3, Life is Strange 2, and Ark: Survival Evolved. Beyond games, Unreal Engine is also used for architectural visualization, film and TV visual effects, product visualization, simulation, and theme park attractions. Unreal Engine offers a powerful suite of tools for creating interactive 3D content. At its core is the Unreal Editor, which allows you to assemble games and experiences through a visual interface. You also have access to a C++ and Blueprints visual scripting system for game logic, artificial intelligence, animations, and other functionality. The engine supports realistic visuals through physically based rendering and real-time global illumination. Advanced features like ray tracing, volumetric fog, and temporal anti-aliasing provide nearly photorealistic visuals. Unreal offers robust character development tools including a full character creation pipeline, skeletal mesh system, and animation editing. The Live Link system allows motion capture to be imported into Unreal Engine as it happens. The Animation Blueprint Editor lets you create procedural animations visually. For environment art, Unreal provides tools for creating terrain, foliage, destruction effects, procedural materials, and lighting. Megascan's library integration offers an immense collection of free high-quality assets. Unreal Engine includes several integrated tools to speed up workflow. Substance Designer plugin allows texture creation within the editor. The Matinee system handles cinematic scene and camera control. The Roadie Runtime Virtual Production plugin enables the use of real-time render passes in filmmaking. The built-in Cascade Particle system can create realistic fire, smoke, explosions, and more. A full modding framework makes community creation simple. And the Remap Palette tool lets you modify textures in real time directly in viewports. Unreal Engine enables content to run on all major platforms. Games and experiences built with Unreal can be published to PC, Mac, iOS, Android, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, VR/R devices, and web platforms. You typically only need to build your game or project once, and then export it to each target platform. Unreal Engine also offers full integration and customized solutions for several virtual reality headset makers. Unreal Engine is available under various license options. The personal license is completely free for non-commercial use. The engine has no royalties until revenue exceeds $1 million and then takes a small 5% cut of profits. While supporting large teams, the Unreal license model encourages independent developers. Subscription plans with access to the full Unreal Editor start at $19 per month.